Okay, this is an Atrump Cnc vertical bed mill, model B6FC, serial number BSFC 381. Machine was new in 2000, control was updated in 2017. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has a CENTROID M400 control. You have a 58 by 13 inch T-slotted table, 39 3/8 X-axis travel, 22 in the Y and 20 in the Z. You just saw the Z moving. That's your Y. And there's your X. Your axes are quiet. You have a 40 taper spindle from 40 to 4,000 RPM. That's 1,000 RPM. Machine also has a TorqueRite air actuated power drawbar. $2,500 RPM. Okay, so you've seen the axes move. You saw the spindle run. It's your quill, manual quill. And thank you for watching our video.